This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a custom video thumbnail for YouTube videos using Adobe Photoshop CS6. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is actually go to the dock, go to Launchpad, and now go to Graphics and Design, and now open up Adobe Photoshop CS6. Wait for that to open. And now go to File, New, change the resolution. So we actually want pixels. I would say 1920 by 1080p. And we will give this the name First Tutorial, as the first tutorial has already been created for the programming in HTML and CSS video, where we downloaded the actual software that we would use for the tutorials itself. Okay, click on OK, and now we have the 1920 by 1080p resolution and photo. So we can now start editing, adding text, images. We will say programming in go to Safari for one moment, go to YouTube, go to the playlist. So go to Creator Studio, go to View Channel, and I've made a playlist. So we need to go to this playlist called Programming in HTML/CSS. And this is what we want. So we want programming in HTML and CSS. So copy that for the moment. Paste that in there. We still need this to be more than 30. Take that to full screen for the moment. Keep that till about 100, so Arial Black should do it for the moment. So that's in the center. We can now say tutorial 1. So do this the same way we did that. Maybe have this into another color like red. That's okay. And now we need a photo of the application itself, so Notepad. So go to Safari, Notepad logo, go to Images, and this is the logo that we needed. So save image as notepad.png, save it to the desktop. Close out of that, minimize this, take the image and drag it onto Photoshop. Using Shift, increase the size of this, place, yes, that's okay. And the first tutorial was, if we go back to Safari, downloading the software. So we can just copy the text from Video Manager, go to Video Manager, go to Edit, and now copy all this. Press Enter there. And we definitely need to change the color of this. So Command A, maybe just have it as black. Go back, yes, place this here, and now we can have a different color on one half. So we could probably say cancel this, we change this to yellow, and now everything else on the right half becomes yellow. So I think that the custom video thumbnail has been designed. Now we just need to export this So go to File, Export, or Save As. First tutorial, and we can save this as a JPEG, and we can save this to the desktop. Save, okay, and here it is on the desktop. So get information, that's okay, that will work. So go to YouTube, and now custom thumbnail, upload that, save, go to dashboard, go to the channel, and there is the custom video thumbnail that we designed using Adobe Photoshop. Upload it to our channel, close out of this, save this, yes, okay, close out of this. And so now for the second tutorial, all we need to do is just open up Photoshop, change some of the wordings, save, upload, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.